Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anik Hanifatul Azizah. I am from Esa Unggul University, Jakarta. Today, I would like to present the result of my research. This research was conducted by me in cooperation with my team. So, first of all, let me share the presentation file first. Okay. This is the title of the research, Assessing User Satisfaction Performance on Mobile Application Development by Using Extended Model of End-User Computer Satisfaction. So this research was conducted by me, Anik Hanifatul Azizah, and also my friends, Maria Fabiana, Arif Iwani, and Badi Udin. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the outline of today's presentation. First of all, we would like to tell about the introduction of the research and also the model and hypothesis that we have already implemented in the research, and then methodology that we have used in the research. Lastly, result and conclusion of the research. So first one, we would like to tell about the introduction. The background of the research was the user satisfaction. We will tell firstly about user satisfaction because all of mobile application or desktop application, website application, implementation, any application should be measured by the user satisfaction because user satisfaction is one way to gain the sustainability of system performance. We can see here user satisfaction become a major factor in measuring information system success. While a new technology or system developers need to ensure the sustainability use of the system. Then in this research, we will tell about PLN Mobile, which one of government mobile application. The use of PLN mobile application is one manifestation of PLN transformation program, especially in terms of customer service. By using this application, it's very easy to find out information about number of complaints and the most reported complaints so that a strategy can be formulated to find solution to the problems that are currently occurring. And the next slide is about company success. Company success. One way to achieve company success is by implementing and integrating information system. Information systems are needed to help and support company performance. Efficiency is one of the most important factors in every company. A system could integrate the process of each line in company management transparently and has high efficiency. So we have some description of some picture here. Business, we have a business and supported by information system so that we can build and create one way to company success. This one, the result of the research in 2020. So let me share here about mobile government users data because here we measure the government users. So we would like to show about users of PLN mobile since in the data of 2020. And also from this data, we can take a look to the recapitulation of users' complaint. You can see here in the left side about integrity, data integrity, and also information, and also another complaint that mostly the complaint is about the information, less of or lack information in the mobile, in the application. So it's one of the concern from the users. Another data is about the survey index for government mobile application. We can see here for each year, 2018, 2019, and also 2020. Most of the description were decreased, we can see here, and few of them were increased. So this one will become the evaluation process to the government inside. Government information system implementation should be maintained to gain maximum performance. Mobile application in the company. Of course, we have known that many state-owned enterprises use their own application. Successful implementation and assist its business process is one of the steps to gain company performance. And one of the model that can help is success model in system implementation. So this one is PLN, Mobile Government Interface. You can see here, this is the interface that used by the user. Therefore, it's very important to measure end user satisfaction on the PLN mobile application. According to the background, the main objective of this research is to obtain any critical factors which influencing user satisfaction on mobile application. This objective certainly will increase the energy efficiency in the use of electricity in the country. So, based on the background, from the background and also introduction that have been told before, the research question was 3 questions. The first one is how to implement a certain model to evaluate the system usage. And the next one is what are significant factors influence the user satisfaction to increase the system performance? And last question is what are critical factors and also critical function that should be implemented to build a sustainable development of application? Based on that question, we formulate some model and hypothesis. So this one is model and hypothesis that we have already used. We use any user computer satisfaction model and we extend it to user satisfaction mobile government. The first variable is usability, and then interaction, consistency, information, accessibility, and also privacy and security. So this is the outline or description of each variable information system. Success represents 3 main characteristics: system quality, information quality, and service quality. And those characteristics that will influence the impact to user satisfaction. So this is the description of each variable content. This content or dimension of content is represent end user satisfaction with viewing the content information system. Content here includes certain modules or features with certain purpose. We have known that for each application or each mobile application, shortly or lastly, they have some feature that which one is feature is good and which one is not really helpful right there. So the next component is form. We are talking about the correctness of the system processing data and returning result. We can check by looking at the number of errors generated while processing the data. So the next one is accuracy. User satisfaction with visual design of system interface is evaluated along these metrics. User happiness and productivity are both affected by how well the interface is designed, right? The productivity of the user can be affected by the interface because while the interface is easy to use, that will be mentioned the next in ease of use, of course, the performance of application will increase. So lastly, timeliness. On the other hand, users are more likely to be happy if they get information quickly, of course, right? After being asked for it. we need to respond fastly. Because of that, we need the variable of timeliness. It's easier to determine whether a system is timely or real time if it processes input and produces output quickly. So the hypothesis that we built in this research was five hypotheses. For main hypothesis, the first one is content will have positive impact on the user satisfaction. Accuracy will have positive impact on user satisfaction. Format will have positive impact on the user satisfaction. Ease of use will have positive impact on the user satisfaction. And lastly, timeliness will have positive impact on user satisfaction. Then the methodology that we have used in the research, from the total 300 questionnaire that have been spread out, 2,040 of them are completed. From the model that have been developed, 14 hypotheses have developed. So we have 2,014 samples. We do it from survey and also interview survey, and we analyze the gathered data with statistical tools. Then finally, the result and discussion of the system. Reliability test. The first one, we test the reliability of the data. From all of the data, this you can see here, reliability test can be seen by use composite reliability. If the value is more than 0.7, so it means reliable. So we can see here, all the data and all the variable is reliable. And this one is the termination test or validity test. We can see here also all the type indicators already valid. And the next one is hypothesis testing by using beta value or t count. As you can see here, we have 5 hypotheses, and then the result of the t count was part of them significantly influenced, but there is 2 of them not significantly influenced. Then the conclusion of the research, the first conclusion was an enhanced end-user computer satisfaction model had been built through deep analysis the complex variables in terms of critical success factor in mobile government application implementation. Accuracy, ease of use, and timeliness to use found to be a significant impact influencing user satisfaction, but several factors in construction pace didn't have significant impact to those factors in the implementation process. So, lastly, to reach a successful mobile government application implementation, a company or organization should take a deep intention to this factor that influence the company benefit that will lead to company success. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. See you next occasion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.